So today's dish is going to be pretty simple. We're going to be cooking potato rosti, and the ingredients are any herbs you can get from the garden, some spring onions, handful of potatoes, got a bit of a mixture here today, parsley, fresh chives, oregano and some rosemary, and I'm also going to add a bit of garlic. Grate the potato, nice and thick, line your fingers, finely chop the herbs and spices. Parsley first, nice and fine, just add them to the potato. Add the chopped rosemary and the chives, and then chop the spring onion. Okay, now there's spring onions, add them, and there's your mix. Lastly, forgot to add, grate 3 cloves of fresh garlic and add that to the ghee, which I'm about to heat up. So with the heat on low, get some ghee. We use ghee because of its medicinal properties. It's got a very high heating point and it's made predominantly of butyric acid, which is a superb antioxidant, many other things in it as well. So just melt that and then add a pinch of ajwain, give it some body and depth, and our old favourite pinch of cumin. Let them pop. So adding the spices and the garlic in the right order is very important, because otherwise you'll burn one and the other one won't pop. So you add the seeds first, let the heat get to them, let the essential oils inside them pop and open up. Okay, so now the seeds are nicely browning off. You smell the flavour. Just add the garlic. And let that brown off as well. And you add the rest of the ingredients. Some people like to squeeze all of the water out of the potatoes. I'm keeping it in this time. Brown properly. Make sure the garlic and the seeds are mixed in correctly. Otherwise someone will get them all in one mouthful. And what I do, use a little spatula like this, pack it down and let the bottom brown and cover it with a saucepan, if I can find the lid. There it is. And cover the saucepan lid. So a little trick to enable you to flip this over without breaking it, just like that. I've already done this side, so I'll let it brown off a bit. Yum. So, beautiful. Add a bit of grated cheese to the top. And there you go. One beautiful, crispy, cheesy potato rosti, served with a beautiful green salad.